Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making 5-grain blueberry muffins. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared.
To start, I'm going to sift my millet, all-purpose flour, baking soda, and baking powder. This is to make sure there are no clumps. If you don't have a sifter, you can use a wire whisk or a fork. When you're sifting, you can push the ingredients through using a rubber spatula or a spoon, or you can tap the sides of it with your hands. Now that my ingredients have all fallen through, I'm going to tap the sides of my sifter so I can make sure no ingredients are stuck to its stand. If your sifter doesn't have a stand, you don't need to do this step. Next, I'm going to add in my cornmeal, salt, rolled oats, and flax meal. I'm going to whisk this until it's fully combined. Now I'm going to add in my orange juice. I'm also going to add in my eggs. Before I add them in, I'm going to scramble them with a fork, which should help them combine better with my other ingredients. I'm also going to add in my vegetable oil and agave. Agave is sticky, so I'm going to scrape out the remainder using a rubber spatula. I'm going to whisk all my ingredients until they're fully incorporated. Now that my batter is fully mixed, I'm going to add in my frozen blueberries. I'm going to fold them into my batter using a rubber spatula. You want to do this delicately because otherwise the berries will burst and turn the batter purple. The batter may look a little purple like mine does anyway, but it'll still taste great and won't be noticeable after baked. Next, I'm measuring out my muffins. To do this, I'm using 1/3 of a cup ice cream scoop. You can use a measuring cup if you'd prefer. Try to make sure the scoop is completely full so that every muffin is the same size. Also, try to be as neat as possible, and if any batter falls onto the muffin tin while you're putting the batter into the liners, wipe it off before you put it into the oven. It'll be much harder to clean off after it's baked. At this point, you can also add in some more blueberries to the top if you'd like. Just press them gently into the batter. Next, I'm going to put my muffins into the oven. My oven's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My muffins took 35 minutes to bake. Start checking at 25 and check every few minutes afterwards to see if they're done. When they're finished baking, if you press your finger lightly into one, it'll bounce back up. And my 5-grain blueberry muffins are done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!